Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick video for a crock pot barbecue chicken that I made. So I added the chicken breast to the pot. If I'm not mistaken, this was only 3 of them. And I seasoned it up real good with everything that I wanted to season with, which was garlic, chili powder, some paprika. I did add some liquid smoke. And then I also added in 1 whole bottle of open pit barbecue sauce. Yeah, we using some open pit barbecue sauce. And then I added in 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I did not have no lemon juice and I was so disappointed. And then I added in a half a cup of boiling water just to get it going. Now I put this on at 7 o'clock in the morning because we were leaving to go somewhere and we're going to be back until 5. And you guys, when we got home, this was the chicken, okay? It had cooked down so good, so tender, so delicious. That barbecue sauce cooked right on in there. It was so juicy, so juicy. So we applied it to buns because we were eating barbecue chicken sandwiches, like pulled barbecue chicken in other words. And I had to take it back to my childhood days, okay? We would always put the coleslaw right on top of the barbecue chicken, and that's exactly what we did. And it was so yummy, so delicious. We had fries on the side, and this was my sandwich. And my daughter found the good bread. I didn't know we had any of this, and this was hers. Yes, nice and sloppy, and the sloppy is good. Check you later.